exhausted. I'm so tired. Kids' birthday parties are full on, but Lily had a great time, so it was all worth it. I think all the kids who came enjoyed themselves too. Today I need to start by editing last week's vlog. I normally try and edit the vlogs every day as I'm filming, but last week was so unorganised and rubbish that I didn't get any of it edited. So this week, that's my other goal this week, is to be a lot more organised. So this morning I'm going to make a plan of everything that I need to do this week, day by day, and really try and stick to it, because I've just been all over the place recently. I'm normally really organised, but recently I've just let it slide completely. So yeah, definitely going to try and get back to being a more organised person this week. And then editing. I've got the footage from a lookbook that we shot a while ago. I shot it with Kimmy and with James from Who Shot the Photographer, and for one reason or another it sort of got forgotten and didn't get edited. So I've got all the footage from that now, so I'm going to edit that and hopefully get it up on Wednesday. See so many lookbook videos on here, and it's all the latest haul stuff from fast fashion brands shot in some posh LA mansion. And Kimmy and I wanted to show you that you can create a really cool lookbook. We went to an industrial estate and shot it there, and we used clothes from our own wardrobe and upcycle stuff and charity shop stuff. So we wanted to show that you can create cool outfits that aren't fast fashion, that aren't the latest trend, and try to inspire people to use what they already have to create looks instead of going shopping. And I love it because you end up with something individual that way. If you're buying the latest thing from ASOS or wherever, you're just going to end up looking like everyone else, and I'd rather look like me. So I've got an event Wednesday night with Kate from the Hope Project, who's an incredible lady. I'll tell you more about her on Wednesday when I go to the event. Then I've got a big super secret photo shoot on Sunday. I'll tell you what I can on Sunday, but other than that you'll have to wait till it's released. I can't wait. I'm so excited to have been asked to be part of this. It's just, yeah, it's going to be brilliant, absolutely brilliant. But I'm going to be candid for now, but you will find out soon enough. Time for coffee and editing. What's your leg wobble? Look at your leg wobble as I stroke you. Wobble the leg. Are you relaxed? I think you're relaxed. Oh, you're super cute. Are you jealous because I'm talking to the dog? Are you jealous because I'm talking to the cat? Wednesday afternoon is another week going by super quickly. Yesterday I was editing all day. Today I've been editing all day. I've edited the lookbook. I'm so pleased with how it's come out. It's all uploaded and it's ready to share tonight, so I'm really excited to see what people's reactions to that's going to be. I love it, Kimmy loves it, so hopefully everyone watching will love it too. And then today I've edited a behind the scenes as well, so it's us talking about our outfits and sort of why we did the lookbook and things like that. I wish I'd thought to record more behind the scenes footage on the day, but we had enough to use, and I put some stuff from the footage from the actual lookbook into, and it looks really cool. And now I'm off to an event called Resilience. It's a screening of a documentary called Resilience, and then a panel discussion afterwards, which has been organised by Kate from the Hope Project. So I will tell you more about that and what it was like tomorrow morning. Was the screening of Resilience, which was held by Kate Ciselja, who founded the Hope Project. If you don't know about the Hope Project, I'll put links to it down in the description. So Kate started the Hope Project. She had a bad gambling problem and reached a really low point in her life, and she started the Hope Project as a way to help other people who are dealing with addiction problems. But she set it up so it gives really practical advice on how to deal with addiction and all the problems that come along with it. She's an incredible, inspirational lady. The Hope Project is also part of the United Nations sustainability goals, which is just incredible. She's doing brilliant work. Last night, Kate hosted the premiere of a documentary called Resilience at the National Film and Sound Archive here in Canberra, which I'd never actually been in before. My God, it's the most beautiful building, and it was held in the gorgeous little theatre inside there. So Resilience is a documentary about the effects of adversity in childhood and living with toxic stress on our future health. The documentary followed some really inspirational, pioneering doctors who are treating the causes of health problems and mental health problems, and not just dealing with the symptoms and medicating, which was really refreshing. Kate's hopefully going to be holding some more screenings, so if you couldn't make it along to this one, try and get along to some of her future screenings, or if you're not in Australia, have a look, see if it's being screened anywhere near you. It was shocking and eye-opening and really emotional, seeing especially the bits dealing with kids. It was, yeah, really emotional, but really glad I saw it. After the screening, there was a panel discussion. One of the panel was Bree, who you have seen in my vlogs in the past. Bree's dealing with some anxiety issues at the minute, which have come on in the last year, I think she said. And if you go and follow her Instagram, her posts on Instagram are just brilliant. She's been so open with talking about the problems that she's going through at the moment, and she's a complete inspiration as well. And again, it's just removing that stigma around mental health and talking about it and making it okay to talk about. So yeah, last night was amazing. I will put links to the Hope Project, to Resilience in the description. Go and check it out and check out more. If you haven't heard of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, I'll put a link to more information about that as well. They are guidelines to make us better people and to give us a better planet to live on. So go and check it out and see how you can get involved with doing your bit to be part of that as well. We can all make small changes in our lives that can help work towards obtaining these goals and making the world a better place for everybody. I'm so annoyed. I've managed to lose all the footage from the last couple of days. I don't know where it's gone. So all the footage of filming this week's Rocked Out Frock, all the footage that I filmed Friday and Saturday, it's all disappeared. I don't know if it didn't record properly or if I've managed to delete it somehow. And now I'm off to a top secret photo shoot, hence my fluffy hair and no makeup. I'm scrubbed and moisturised and ready to get made up for this shoot, but I can't tell you any more about it. So I'm back home after my secret photo shoot. It went really well. I saw some of the images just on the camera and they looked amazing. I've taken my hair out and taken my lipstick off, my eyelashes hanging off. I'm going to pull them off, actually, they're getting a bit itchy. So I don't want to give too much of the look away, but I don't think this is giving anything away. I've got a star on my face, but I always have a star on my face. Oh, that feels better. I'm going to go and scrub all this off. Oh, so this week's gone fast again. Time's just flying by. I've just shared my video of the jeans to skirt transformation. It'll be interesting to see what the reaction to that is, because the style it's a little bit different to my normal style. I love it though. I really love how it turned out. I'm so tired. I think right now I'm going to go and wash all this makeup off and have a shower and then just chill out. Then tomorrow morning I need to start filming the tutorial video for this week, and this is the week I'm going to get more organised. I say it every week, but this is the week I'm going to get more organised, so that's on my to-do list in the morning. Just sort myself out so I know where I am and try and keep on track for this week. So, catch you next week. Where's the puppy? What are you doing? You going camera shy? You camera shy? No, licking me, you eat chicken poo.